Now, the government will soon start preparing National Cereals and Produce Board depots across the country in preparation for a bumper maize harvest that is expected this season. Head of Public Service, Felix Koskei, says the government will repair 36 mobile dryers and purchase 70 more as part of the government's efforts towards post-harvest management of farmers' produce.
The Ministry of Agriculture projects farmers to harvest 19.7 million bags of maize between this month and September. In addition, some farmers in the North Rift are expected to harvest the long grains crop in the last 3 months of the year. To help reduce post-harvest losses, the government plans to renovate National Cereals and Produce Board depots to take up the grain from the farmers.
We can see production, we can see the kind of yield that we are expecting. And we are very happy because I think in another 2 months, shortage of maize, shortage of food in this country will be a thing of the past.
Speaking at the African Inland Church Korotet in Western Gishu, Koskei said there are plans to purchase dryers and repair the existing ones as part of plans to reduce post-harvest losses.
National Cereals and Produce Board will even provide a space for you to keep your maize if you are not selling that time. So we are very clear, and we want to make sure that farming is a business and there is comfort in farming.
He called on farmers to embrace modern farming techniques to maximize yields.
We have also come up with what we call warehouse receipting system, where private sector players will come up with the stores of their own, which are going to be certified. And the farmers will be using these stores only for storage.
Koskei announced that the government will soon roll out the second phase of distribution of the subsidized fertilizer across the country.